Hello everyone, this is Shashi from Eatance product team. Here's the first video of our new series, Multi-Restaurant Pro app, How-To Questions. You will find short videos of our app's main features with their detailed workflow. The goal behind this playlist is to answer most frequently asked workflow questions. Today I'm going to show you as to how you can add a new restaurant admin on your Multi-Restaurant Pro application via your admin panel. Before we begin, allow me to share a brief description of our restaurant app offering. We have two restaurant apps for two separate business models. One, Single Restaurant Pro with self-ordering feature. Two, Multi-Restaurant Pro. Single restaurant application is created to empower standalone restaurants, cloud kitchen, meal kit delivery, food trucks, etc. The unique self-ordering feature adds to brand value, giving it a digital touch and makes the operation more efficient. Multi-Restaurant Pro focuses on multiple restaurants, marketplace and startups who wish to add multiple restaurants offering. Welcome to the in-office training of Eatance. Today we'll learn how to add an admin to the application. So let's begin. Sign in using the master admin credentials. Once we log in, we land on the home page with the dashboard in the center and the navigation panel to the left. Go to the navigation panel and from the menu listing, go to Users. Click on Users and click on Manage Admins. This will bring up the admin management page. As you can see, we already have a list of created admins. To add a new restaurant admin, click on the Add button. Here in the Add Admin page, enter the details of this new restaurant admin. The first name, the last name, the contact details, contact email ID. In the user type, click on the select. From the drop-down selection, we have two options, the restaurant admin and the restaurant admin mobile. The restaurant admin mobile is basically for our mobile application. In this case, we will proceed with the restaurant admin as we are creating a restaurant admin. Click on it and select. Enter a password. Confirm the password. Once all the details required have been entered, click on the Submit button. As you can see, we have successfully added the new restaurant admin and it shows up on top of our list.